Here's how to create an invoice in PayPal to bill your client for the work done. But before we start with this tutorial, please hit subscribe so you can get notified every time we upload new freelancing tutorials. So now, let's get started. First step is to go to paypal.com and log in to your account. At the right portion of the screen, click Request. Then click Create an Invoice. Now you can personalize your invoice by clicking Add a Company Logo. Find your logo on your computer and click Open. Now you are ready to set up your invoice. Start by adding your client's email address to the Bill To section. Customize the details by changing quantity to hours and changing the currency to USD. Also add a date for the hours worked. Then you can add an item for your invoice. In this case, we will put work hours, then the date, and the hourly rate. You can also add other items to your invoice if needed. If you want to, you can enable Allow customer to add a tip if you want your client to add an amount to compensate the fees. Add a little note or attach files if required. You can now preview your invoice by clicking the blue button below. And if your invoice is all good, you can click Send and your client will be notified via email. Do you have questions about PayPal invoices? Please feel free to comment down below. If you like this tutorial, please like and share this to your friends. We also encourage you to subscribe if you want more freelancing tips. So that's it for this video. Remember to keep learning and hustling to succeed in freelancing. Thanks for watching.